Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Today we're going to show you just the outside 4310 clopay with REC 14 top glass, and it is obscure. I think this gray goes wonderful with this brick out here. Absolutely stunning, and I don't know why, but for whatever reason these obscure windows really make this door pop. This door looks absolutely perfect in this opening with the contrast with the gray and the obscure window. The obscure window will leave light come in, but you cannot see in. Like, I'll take you up to the glass and you can see reflection there. There's my hand, you can kind of see it, and you cannot see in there. All you're seeing is my phone. Even if you cup your hands over the window, you cannot see in. This is the wood grain finish. We have our wide trim to seal it off nice on the top and all the way down. It does come with 14 gauge hardware, 9R value. We upgrade the top wheels all the time to the 13 ball zinc. We do not use the stock wheels. And if someone does use the stock wheels, tell them to upgrade them. They will burn out. The 10 or 11 ball nylon wheel that comes with the clopay door is okay. It is not okay for insulated glass, which this is. Do not use it. If your installers are using it, tell them to use a 13 ball zinc. It is a heavier duty wheel, and if they tell you anything else, it's a lie. It will burn out and disintegrate. Trust me, I've been doing this 35 years. There's a reason why you see me do it on every single video I make. It's because the 11 ball rollers from anybody, not just clopay, are junk for the top insulated glass section. Their door's too heavy, panels too heavy. That's why I use it. Zinc 13 ball or a 13 ball will probably be sufficient. We use the zinc now because they're just superior. Anyway, 14 gauge hardware, wide body, better springs. We use a gold bar package, and that's a wrap. Clopay 4310 1666 with top insulated obscure REC 13 window. Innovative 630-271-9343. Trust us to install your door the right way, and we do the things that don't meet my standards, our standards, the wheel, track, stuff like that. We always upgrade stuff. We don't put the cheap junk on there. If they do give it to you, we get rid of it and put on our stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you once again for watching the video. Our 4310 gray insulated obscure REC 13 top glass window garage door video.